Hey guys, in this video we will see how to perform sorting on array of strings. So here as you can see I have names array which have three records Vikas, Akash and Ryan, and make sure here a small letter first one, second one is also small, and here this is the caps. So now as you can say that sorting is very simple thing. So why do you need to understand this? So now let me show you here. So console.log names dot sort. Okay, so this is by default function we will get. Now let me execute here, and here as you can see Ryan come first, Akash next and Vikas at the last. But if you can see, Akash should be first, Ryan should be in middle and Vikas should be the last. But why we are facing this issue here? Okay, so let me tell you how this sorting work internally. So first, if you understood those, you will be able to figure it out what is the problem we are facing here. So basically each and every letter have a ASCII code. Okay, whenever we perform a sorting, it will get converted into the ASCII code, and ASCII code will get compared with each other, and based on that the sorting will be performed. And as you know, for the capital letter the ASCII code is less, and for the small letter ASCII code start from 97. So here this is less, that's why it's getting started from here. And if I make sure all value are caps here, I will not face this difficulty. I will get here proper result as you can see. But here the problem arises when the letters means all the strings are not in same format. The thing is what we can do is we have two solutions. The first, we can convert whole array into a same format. Might be we will convert into the uppercase or lowercase, or we can override the sorting method. Okay, so here I am not going to change whole array because I might use that array somewhere else in my component to display something, and if I am converting my original result there will be some issue in future. So taking care of those, I will write my custom sorting algorithm to do this. And if you know, this sorting will take a callback function. So here let's override. So here callback function, and now it will get me the two parameter. So first is the A and second is the B. So basically I am going to compare both records. So in one I will get here Vikas at a once, and in second I will get Akash. So this is how. Now I need to convert this lowercase into the uppercase and compare this. So for that here let's go to definition and write if, and here a dot to uppercase less than b dot to uppercase. So basically what I am trying to do is I have converted a and b into same case here. So now in case of this Akash and Ryan, a will be here capital and r will be capital. So there will be no issue in comparing the ASCII code. So right now here I will return a value. So return here 1, else return -1. Now let me execute, and here as you can see it got sorted in descending order. So Vikas I got first, Ryan got I second, and Akash at the last. Now let's say I want to change the sorting order. So just I need to change here and it will get changed here as well. So Akash, Ryan and Vikas. Okay, so now it will work perfectly in case of not same letter. But what if I got the same letter? So in that case here I need to return 0. So here return 0. Now I need to define a condition here, because if the values are same it will come to return -1. So now I will copy this, paste this one, and here else if, and I will change here later. And now if the condition doesn't satisfy either of these two, means we understood that both are same, so I will return here 0. I don't need to write else condition. Okay, so now if I give any kind of, here it will convert and give me the same kind of result what we are expecting. Now you have an option, if you want to convert into the uppercase, convert it. If you want to convert into the lowercase, do that. But now we need to optimize this one, because already we have converted this into the uppercase, and again we are doing here. So to avoid this one, I will create a two variable. So let's say let first later, and here a dot uppercase, and let second later, and here b dot uppercase. Okay, now first letter and second letter, here goes the same. So first letter and second letter. Okay, now if you wish to convert into the lowercase, means just here we are converting it to sake of making sure that both are in same. So you can convert into the lowercase both of them, the result will not affect. Okay, but if you are converting only one value into uppercase and second value into the lowercase, so this is the issue you will face again. The sorting order may differ. You will get a result unexpected one. Okay guys, so now what you can do is, here you can save this somewhere. So let's say here custom sort and pass this one. Now I need to call this here custom sort. So custom sort, or let me show you result before this. So here Ryan, Vikas and Akash, as you can see the order are not same. Now I need to call here custom sort. I don't need to pass parameter because internally it will pass here automatically too. Now here Akash, Ryan, Vikas, and my result is not getting changed. The order only getting changed because here I wrote the logic. Okay guys, that's it for this video. You can find download link of this code in description of this video. If you like this content, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.